Ladies and gentlemen, fantastic day in front of us today. Ekster has new bundles, and we're going to get right into the video. As we get into it, in the description box right below the video, top link will be these products, so you guys can read more about them. Pick them up yourself after the video is done. Number one, we get a little drawstring pouch and all of our bundle goodies here. So of course we'll get the wallet. We're going to get to that in just a second. Right here, we have a nice money clip right there. Ekster logo on the back there. Again, just your plain and simple money clip. Carry a little wad of cash. Next up in our bundle package is going to be their new key case. This again is their second gen. This is brand new. And actually, as I looked right next to me, I actually have mine. So as you can see here, the keys go ahead and fold on back into the little band there, but it's really nice. You have your keys there. They can fold back into this leather band here. Ekster logo right there. A really nice key case. Again, I have the first gen and second gen in full depth on the channel already. And before we do get to the wallet, here is the key tracker with 2 batteries, and that you put on your keychain for GPS tracking capability. You do have to use it with the provided app. I believe you pronounce it Chuplo, and that works out great. Check out my Ekster videos. For more in depth, I go into the GPS tracker card. Now, it is time to check out. In this bundle is the Ekster aluminum card holder in the black color. They have many different color options and bundle options, so definitely look at that link after the video is over. And depends when you're watching this, Black Friday is right around the corner. Not to mention Christmas stocking stuffer with this one. Absolutely. So again, this particular model, you have a band around it. You have your RFID plate right here, which you can also store cash. More cards underneath, an expansion port is what I like to call it. The really nice look to it all the way around. Again, comes in many different colors. Now, this is Ekster's design here with the push button, thumb push button, and your cards come out just like this. All right, let's check it out in action. So again, you push the little thumb button right here. You don't have to use your thumb, but it's just the easiest way to do it. And right now in here, I have 6 cards, and one of those is my very thick metal Crypto.com card, license on the front. As you can see here, how quick it is. Thumb button up, boom, you grab your shopper's card off the bat, obviously. And what I like to do personally is I like to have the back one or the front one, my most used one. So let me just show you that right there. Shopper card. So what I actually would do is I would put my license in the front, and then I would sandwich probably my most used debit card in the back here, which I won't show obviously on camera. And so for this example, I'm going to use my shopper's card as my license, let's say. So you bust that out. There's your license, and then your most used debit card in the back right here. Boom. Take that bad boy out. Now you can, if you want to, flip them out, take them all out, sort through them, etc., and then put them back in, but it's just so much easier just to bust it out like that. Slip it back in. Now again, here is your RFID plate to block RFID transmission for security. You can either A, have the Ekster wallet solo like this, put that in your jacket pocket, your front pocket, take that to a wedding. You can put this on with this for cash. As we can see right here, keep that solo, very minimalistic. Or you can have more cards tucked underneath as well. Again, with your cash strap over here on this side. So you definitely have some nice options, not to mention with the wallet, money clip, which I'll just show you real quick. To be honest with you, I haven't used a money clip in years, but cool nonetheless. Tracker card, key case. Again, in the description box, top link of the video will be the Ekster link. Check out their products, check out their different colors, but please, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and you think they're cool gift ideas, which I personally do, then definitely purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like tech videos like this, minimalistic wallets. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.